One of the greatest things about living in Lake Tahoe is Lake Tahoe. So if you want to live here, it'd be nice to live on the lake, right? Unfortunately, not all of us have 25, 10, 12, 15, 40, $68 million to buy a house on the water. So what's the next best thing? You can buy a house that has access to the water and is about 200, 300 yards from the water. How's that, right? So today, I want to show you a house at 1273 Highway 50. It's on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. This is the Lincoln Park community. And the Lincoln Park community has access to the lake. So there's 38 homes here. 20 of them are actually lake fronts, and the others get access to these little beaches here. So you can kayak, you can paddleboard, whatever. You can bring your dog down here to play. It's a great situation. So let's go check out this house. But first of all, look at this beautiful summer Tahoe day. This is magnificent. It's about 81 degrees. It's gorgeous out. The lake is beautiful. This is what living in Tahoe is all about. What's kind of neat about this community too is they have these little old cabins on here. Don't know exactly how old they are. Nobody really seems to know. But these are cute little cabins, and the house I'm going to show you today has one. Supposedly is a cabin built by a silver miner. So let's go check it out. So here's the house here. That's how close we are to the lake. Isn't that awesome? So the address of this house is 1273 Highway 50. So right next to the highway. Get a little bit of road noise out here, but in the house you won't hear it all. It's awesome. But this is a spectacular location. This is a 5-bedroom house, 3,300 square feet. So there's plenty of room for everybody. And there's 5 parking spaces out front. One of them's covered. We've got a double lot here, which is fantastic with a fenced yard. So if you got kids or dogs, you're great. And again, the beach is right there. It's so awesome. And then outside of that, about a half mile that way is a Cave Rock State Park. So you've got a boat launch there if you want to launch a boat. Spectacular. And about 10, maybe 12 minutes that way is all the entertainment in State Line, Nevada. It's spectacular. All the great restaurants, the casinos. My wife and I went and saw Rod Stewart there last week, and our friend caught one of his soccer balls. A very special moment. A beautiful night. Oh, it was fantastic. So let's go check this house out. So you walk in on the main floor, which is great. We got a nice great room. We got a little wood stove here. We've got views of the lake right there off this deck. It's fantastic. And this massive dining room table, I love it because this house is designed for entertaining. So we've got 12 chairs here on this dining room table. Isn't that spectacular? We've got 4 stools over on the bar. So if someone's just having a casual eating experience, they can come sit on the bar. And then you got this nice big open kitchen. Got the refrigerator here. I think I would switch the door because the door opens this way, but you can probably get that door switched so it opens this way, but not a big deal. A nice stove, a sink with views of the lake. You know, Tahoe Tony loves that. So a really nice, great room kitchen experience here. So we're still on the main floor. I'm staring at the great room. We've got a full bath here, which is not only gonna help people when you're entertaining, they have a restroom they can use, but they also have 2 bedrooms here on this main floor. Good sized bedrooms with closets, a lot of light coming in there. And it's kind of neat is there's the road noise outside, but when you're inside, I don't hear it at all. So very comfortable 2 bedrooms on the main floor of this house. So going upstairs, we've got a loft area and the master suite. So let's go check that out. So we're on the master suite level. There is a little loft area here as well. Big windows, some floor to ceiling windows down there, which is great. Views of the lake. We've got deck access here. And then we've got a full bath here. which services the master bedroom on this level. So let's check it out. A really big master bedroom. They actually have 2 beds in here. It's kind of like I Love Lucy. Doesn't have to be. You could rearrange this and make it, put a nice bed here and do an exercise room there, whatever you like. But I think it's a great master suite upstairs. And another feature of the master suite up here is you've got your own balcony. So if you need to step out in the morning, look at the lake, whatever you do, you've got this little balcony here. It's kind of nice. So now we're on the downstairs, which is the funnest part of the house in my mind. We've got a separate entrance here, so if you're entertaining, people want to get out and sneak to the casinos all night, they come in and out without bothering everybody. But let's check it out. This is great. We've got a pool table. It's such a fun room. We've got foosball. We've got a poker table, a nice bar, a good-sized TV. You got your refrigerator and sink here. Everything you need to have a really fun time in this room. I really like this room. I could spend some time here. So similar to the middle floor, we've got a full bath here and 2 bedrooms. It's really nice because if you're entertaining in here and doing a bunch of gaming and stuff, people could come and just crash in these rooms and have a great time and everybody's really comfortable. So included with this house is the miner's cabin, which we're in front of now. We're gonna check out. It's pretty neat. I don't know exactly how old this is, but the story goes that a miner built it when they were mining silver down in Virginia City in the mid 1800s. So let's check it out. It's kind of neat. They've got a little ladder going up to a loft bed here. You got a little table, little kitchenette. So you can do so many fun things with this room. And then you've got a full bath over here. So someone could live in here separately. You could rent it out. I believe they have an ADU. That's the listing agent told me. Or you could use it as a kid's hideaway or an office, whatever you do. Pretty fun little room. It just gives me good feelings thinking of all the people that have spent time in here enjoying the lake over the last century. I think it's totally cool. So another great thing about this house, it does have a hot tub. So when you're entertaining, especially in the wintertime after skiing, you jump in, have a nice little party in the hot tub. Should feel really great. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video of this little house that has lake access to Lake Tahoe. It's awesome. I am Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in Incline Village on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you want to buy a house and take part of living in Tahoe, enjoy this beautiful lifestyle that we get to have, go ahead and reach out to me, send me a text, shoot me an email, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best real estate experience you've ever had. And if you want to buy this house today, I haven't told you the price yet. It's just under $2 million. Great price, I think, for houses that close to the water, giving you lake access, plenty of room for all your family and friends. I look forward to talking to you.